Second conditionals. As it's very clear from the name, we can see again these sentences are conditionals, but they are at the degree of the second level. These are the sentences which are based mostly on wishes. For example, if I had money, I would buy a house. So you can notice that there is a use of will or a future tense and also a modal word would. If I had money, I would buy a house. It is a wish that if the person had the money, the condition is if the person had the money. So we can also notice the use of if, because the sentence carries a meaning of wish. So with the wish condition, which has not really happened, the condition is if he would have money. So with the condition, it becomes a wish and the use of if in the sentence in order to show it has not happened, but if it would happen. Would happen again is a future tense, but at the same time we call would to be the modal. So the modal word is used, and these are the possibilities that can happen in future. There is also a degree of second conditional where things which are not really possible and we use them as conditionals. Sometimes the first conditional is also called the zero conditional because basically they are the facts, but sometimes we also name them as first conditional. The facts always remain the same, therefore there are some places where we ignore the condition and we consider it as a fact. Similarly, some of the second conditionals are also placed in the first condition, which are the simple conditions. If I had worked hard, I would have been successful. It is a simple condition. Of course, we all know if we work hard, we would be successful. If I had known her, I would have greeted her. Again, this is a simple condition, therefore we can shift it to the first condition. And we can think of it to be a condition which is not really impossible. Usually we put the impossible conditions in the second conditionals. So there is a shift sometimes from the scientific facts from first conditional to zero conditional, and there is a shift from the second conditional to the first conditional when the chances of condition are very simple. And then there are the main second conditionals which are quite impossible and people are just wishing for those which things are never going to happen. They are just imaginations. For example, if I was a billionaire, I would buy the world. Now we all know nobody is going to buy the world. But these sentences are used as imaginations or wishes based on conditions which are quite impossible. It is a purpose of knowing for the students that what types of sentence formation they need to make when they are wishing for things which are impossible. And these conditionals are mostly used for essay writing, story writing, or sometimes when they are speaking as well, when they are given a topic to speak on which is based mostly on imagination. For example, if you would become the President of Pakistan, that topic would be based a lot on the second conditional because that is not going to happen. Every student is not going to become the President of Pakistan.